In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram feed onto your website on Squarespace. So for this, we need Squarespace, and we also need this website that's called Elfsight. So Elfsight is a website that's going to help you with widgets for your own website. So you want to go to Elfsight, click on widgets right there, and then go to social. And right there, you'll find Instagram feed. You want to click on that. Next up, click on create widget at the top right corner. And then you can actually start creating your own widgets for your website. So if you scroll down, you can select a template to start with. So you can choose the slider one, you can choose grid, hashtag showcase, college slider, and single post. So choose the one you like. For this video, I'm going to go with the post slider. And then next up, click on continue with this template. Step number 2 is adding your Instagram username right there so that your feed will show up. You can then also customize it if you want to. I'm not going to go into that right now because I would like to keep this tutorial short so that you guys can actually set this up for yourself. So next up, you want to click on join to install right there, and you want to sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. If you don't have an account, make sure you go ahead and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, you can actually click on save at the top right corner, and you will then get a HTML code that you can use to add this to your website. So click on add to website, and then click on click to copy. Next up, go to Squarespace and make sure to add a blank. Let's see, yeah, add blank right there. Then click on this and then click on code. You can then paste that code from Elfsight onto Squarespace, then hit enter, and there it is. So right now you can see your Instagram feed on Squarespace. So that's exactly how you can do this. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video.